Good morning, boys and girls. It's September the first day of the month, and we are going to take a look again at the story Pouch. Yesterday, we talked about all the different characters in the story Pouch. We talked about Mama Kangaroo, and we talked about Joey, and Bird, and Bee, and Rabbit. And then Joey met somebody that was just like him. Those are the characters in the story. We want to talk about when Joey met the other Joey that was just like him, and we want to talk about how they became friends because we want to understand how it is that you become a friend to somebody. We want you to be able to tell your grown up that's there with you or a brother or sister about how Joey became friends with the other Joey. Now, along with the characters, today we want to look at what is called the setting of the story. The setting is where or when the story is taking place or happening. Okay? So I want to just look at a couple of pictures here, a couple of pages in Pouch, and we're going to talk about the setting. First, we're going to look at the picture where it says, it's on page 20, and it says, he took 4 hops to the sandy hollow. And one thing I want you to notice is how I read. I start at the left, and I read to the right, and then I go to the next one, and I read to the right, and I go to the next line, and I read to the right. So I'm going to read that again. He took 4 hops to the sandy hollow. A sandy hollow. That's a place that's low, maybe beneath a hill, and it's sandy. And that is one of the settings in our story, Pouch. And if you remember right, that was when Pouch met a bird. Then I want you to look at page number 27 as you're reading. And on page number 27, it says, he took 5 hops to the pasture fence. Pasture. That's a field that's with grass and wildflowers. And it's a lot of times a place where animals that like to eat grass and wildflowers will be kept. Like, for instance, a cow or a horse might be kept in the pasture. And so that's the setting where he hopped next. And when he hopped in the pasture, who did he meet? He met the other Joey that was just like him. So I want you to look at the rest of the book and uh, reread it and look at how he made friends with Joey, the other Joey, and talk to your grown up about how he made friends with Joey. Okay. Then I also want you to talk about the characters and the settings in the book. Okay. So go ahead and read it. And then when we come back after the book, I want you to come back and I have a little bit more to add. Okay. So go read your book right now. And that would be on yesterday's lesson page that you would find the story Pouch.